What's up, guys? It's Rob here, and today we're going to be talking about Safemoon V2, which is a very exciting crypto project, and we're going to be talking about some new developments for them regarding NFTs, as well as some other great news that's been coming out for them lately. But first, I wanted to explain very briefly, just for those of you who aren't quite aware what Safemoon is, what it's all about and why I like this crypto. So overall, you can see this price chart of Safemoon, and you can see that we had a big rise towards the beginning of the year, and lately we've been falling along with the overall markets, right? The crypto markets have been falling, the stock market's been falling, and Safemoon is no exception. It has also been falling, but one of the reasons why I like it very much, if you zoom in right here, one of the reasons why I like it is because you can see that before the year started, we had relatively low volume. Then we moved up volume-wise, and we've maintained a relatively high level of volume. Now, the reason I like it is because it doesn't matter so much over the long term what happens with the price. What really matters for holders of Safemoon is the volume. And that is because Safemoon actually has a system where they give out 4% of every transaction and redistribute it to all existing holders of the crypto. So that's my absolute favorite part of Safemoon, right? Basically, by just holding Safemoon, regardless of what happens to the price, as long as there's volume, as long as people are trading it, you continue to accrue more and more Safemoon over time. And that means that even if the price stagnates, you're still actually making money technically in the crypto because you're having more and more coins sent to your wallet every day that there are transactions going through on it. So overall, I'm very bullish on holding Safemoon for the long term. Now, the second reason why I think we might see some price appreciation, just very briefly, is because 2% of every transaction is burned, right? They destroy those coins, and that means there's an ever-dwindling supply of Safemoon, which could, if you believe in modern monetary theory and the fact that inflation is running rampant because we've been printing a ton of money, and that has increased the supply of money, and thus money is worth less. It's the exact opposite for Safemoon, right? As time goes on, there's less and less Safemoon, and thus the supply is less, and the price should probably be going up accordingly, right? As long as demand stays the same. So all in all, I'm pretty bullish on Safemoon. Now we'll get into some of the news regarding what's been going on lately. First off, we got to say this, right? The Safemoon army has blasted past 1 million Safemoon wallet downloads in just under 5 months, and there's no sign of slowing down there. Next stop is 2 million, so we're going to see if they can hit it. But this is pretty cool, right? I'm a Safemoon wallet user, and we're actually going to be looking at the Safemoon wallet in just a bit for some hints about what might be going on with NFTs. But first, we will point out that this news that they blasted past 1 million users of the Safemoon wallet was actually on the front page of BSC News, and that's actually the Binance Smart Chain News, right? And you can see right here on their Twitter page that they are pretty significant, right? They've got 382,000 followers on Twitter. I'm sure more people than that actually go to their website and read the news and whatnot. And Binance, just for those of you who don't know, is the fourth largest crypto by market cap in the world. So it is pretty significant. A lot of people use Binance. And this probably got the story out about Safemoon to some new people, right? So we might see some new people coming into Safemoon. Maybe they're in the research phase, but overall, it doesn't really matter that much, right? If we get new people in Safemoon or not, once again, because of the reflections that we mentioned earlier and the coin burning, part of why I'm so bullish on this thing is because you don't even need to see new people coming into this, right? You just need to see people trading it back and forth, and then you're constantly accruing more Safemoon in your wallet, and there's constantly less and less Safemoon out there for people to trade, which inevitably leads to a rising in price, as well as a rising in the amount of coins or tokens that you've got in your wallet. So all in all, very bullish stuff for Safemoon. Now, another key piece of news. This is the NFT news. Safemoon's education manager, Katz Russ, has posted this picture. This is a little screenshot of the picture showing this new tab in the Safemoon wallet, right? You can't actually see this yet. I just looked myself, and it is not available for us, but potentially Katz Russ, the Safemoon education manager, is using a new version of the wallet that's going to be released sometime soon, and you can see it as the wallet tab, the swap tab, and the settings tab like we're all used to, but also this collectibles tab. Now, NFTs are essentially these digital collectibles that people trade back and forth. We're going to break down some stuff about NFTs in a couple of minutes for those of you who aren't aware of what they are, but they've become incredibly popular over the past couple of years. So a lot of people have been hyping up NFTs, and it would be really cool, I think, to see an NFTs tab coming to the Safemoon wallet and potentially, the ability to send and receive NFTs, if not buy them right on the wallet itself. I think that would be very cool. And just for those of you who don't know what Katz Russ is, the Safemoon education manager, I wasn't quite aware of what they were until just recently, but it looks like they're pretty legitimate because if you go to Safemoon V2, the official Twitter page, you can just look at who they're following, and they are following Cat's Rust right here. So it looks pretty official to me. Overall, I hope to see that right here, hopefully we'll be getting this collectibles tab pretty darn soon. That's the hope, right? Now, NFTs, just for those of you who don't know, basically they're oftentimes digital artwork. They can be other stuff, though. Basically, they're like a crypto in the sense that they have a unique identity online and that they're decentralized. You can own them and not worry about anyone taking it unless they have your security key or whatever it is. And essentially, they're pretty new, right? And they're a fairly small market cap. If you add up all the value of all the NFTs in existence, the total market cap of NFTs is about $31 billion. And that might sound like a lot of money, but all things considered, with how much hype these things have been getting on the internet lately, I am surprised to see it's that low. And it's actually probably lower right now than where it was when this article was written, right? January 6th, that was not that tough of a time in the market. If you take a peek at, the price of Bitcoin, just as an overall gauge of where the market was at, January 6th, we were significantly higher than where we are now, right? We were at $46,000 per Bitcoin. Now we're around 37,000. So it would not surprise me to see that the value of NFTs may have fallen over the past couple of weeks and we'd be at an even lower market cap. And that just goes to show that NFTs, if they really catch on, if they really become popular, they could be potentially something that, anyone getting in on them might be getting in on them early. Since they're only a $31 billion market cap, I mean, compare that to something like Starbucks, right? Obviously, Starbucks is, a worldwide brand. They have stores in a bunch of different countries. They're extremely popular. Pretty much any city you go to, you can find a Starbucks in. But I do want to point out that this is just one single company in the United States stock market, right? And it has a market cap of 112 billion. And just a couple of weeks ago, its market cap was probably, if you look back at January 6th, was much higher than where it is now because it was trading back then at $111 compared to the 96 it's trading at now. So the market cap would have been even higher than the 112 billion. So that just goes to show that NFTs are definitely in their infancy, right? And it could be really cool to have a place to buy and sell them potentially right on the Safemoon wallet, right? That's the hope. That we're going to be getting this collectibles tab, and it would be really cool, I think, to be able to buy and sell NFTs directly on the Safemoon wallet. I think a ton of people would love to see it. Hopefully, we'll see that coming to the Safemoon wallet soon. I just looked once again, and unfortunately, it's not quite there yet. I looked if there was an update for the wallet. It wasn't out yet, so hopefully we'll see NFTs being added to the Safemoon wallet sometime soon, and that could potentially be beneficial for the price, right? If people figure out, hey, we can buy NFTs on the Safemoon wallet, let's download that Safemoon wallet, let's buy some Safemoon while we're at it, we might see some of that. So other than that, guys, obviously keep in mind, none of this is financial advice. I'm just explaining my opinion to you guys, why I like Safemoon, why I'm pretty bullish on it at the moment. And other than that, keep in mind, once again, not financial advice, but if you enjoyed the content, feel free to subscribe to the channel down below and use that Webull referral link in the description to get up to 3 free stocks valued up to $6,300. And other than that, guys, have a great day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.